Is it better to eat carrots or make juice and consume them? I don't know which one you like. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, my name is Ruth Kwamby. This channel is all about healthy juices and smoothies and a bit of travel. And before we go on, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and you'll always be the first to get notified when we have a new video coming in. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make carrot juice, and also I'm going to mention the benefits of taking carrot juice. So please make sure you stay with me till the end of this video. Carrot juice is one of the most healthy juices that we have around. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamins, fiber, and other nutrients. They are a great source of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. Reason why we need to incorporate them in our diet. For carrot juice, these are the ingredients. Add water, carrots, it's very good. If your carrots are sweet, you're going to enjoy this. By the way, you can decide just to take it the way it is, or you can sieve it. If you sieve it, make sure you use the pulp for cooking and making other things like cake or something like that. It's very beneficial. So is it better to just eat carrots as a whole, or make a juice of it and drink? Both of them are beneficial, but I know most people will say we'd rather eat the carrots because you get a lot of fiber from them by chewing them whole. But then how many carrots can you eat? You can just eat like one carrot. So taking carrot juice will be of more benefit than just chewing a carrot if you want to take more carrots. So it's better if you make juice, because if you make juice you can use like 2 or 3 carrots and blend them and drink them. But then if you're eating the carrot, you can only eat 1 or 2 at most. I don't know how many you can consume, but I can just eat 1 at a time and I'm just done with it. So what are the benefits of taking carrot juice? 1, carrot juice adds antioxidants to our body, which are very good in reducing stress levels. Carrot juice reduces stress and inflammation in our bodies. It's very beneficial. Carrot juice lowers heart disease, more so in men. It actually benefits in cardiovascular diseases, so it's very good to drink. For pregnant women, studies show that carrot juice can be of very benefit to them, but then you have to be very careful so that you don't drink a lot of it. A lot of it is also not good, so you have to consume in moderation, or let me say seek medical advice before you drink carrot juice if you are expectant. Carrot juice may help reduce the risk of cancer, so make sure you just drink it in moderation. Carrot juice improves brain's health. That is why first I mentioned that it's very good because it increases antioxidants. Now, antioxidants reduce the oxidative stress that we could have in our brains. That is why it's really good in improving the brain's health. Carrot juice may promote weight loss. Yes, if you drink carrot juice, it can help you reduce weight loss, but still you can check the video on how to reduce your weight. I'll put it in the video description below. Please make sure you check that link if you're really interested in reducing your weight. Carrot juice enhances vision because it contains lutein, which is a very powerful antioxidant. But still, we cannot just consume carrot juice in plenty or in excess because it may also harm our vision. So you have to drink it in moderation. Now, carrot juice has been shown to enhance digestive health. If there are people suffering from constipation, now you're encouraged to drink some carrot juice or incorporate carrot in your diet. That is going to help you to be able to reduce your constipation levels. So for people who are suffering from acid reflux, carrot juice is also of benefit to them. But also make sure you check a video on acid reflux juices that I made before. I'll put also the link in the description box below so that you can be able to check it out, and it's going to be of benefit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know other benefits that you've gotten by drinking carrot juice, and share out what your experience is in drinking these juices. Before I end this video, today's post shout notification goes to Nyanchoka Okemwa. Shout out to you, Nyanchoka Okemwa. Thank you so much for being a part of me and for watching all these videos. Please, for the shout outs, remember to like this video, remember to leave a comment, remember to subscribe and turn on your post notification, and you never know, you'll be my next shout out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.